Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Correct Bet. This is a newly tricks I just discovered. There's a strategy I use for this. This strategy is wonderful. This strategy, I can just say it, but if I show it, maybe they will discover it or stop it. This strategy is working perfectly. Let me just tell you how I get this. This strategy can get you 10 odd, 15 or 20 odd, very sure that you can stake from maybe a minimum of 1k or upward. As you can see this, I see how much I stake on it. So this strategy is like when you open statistics first of all, then what you now do is make sure that the team with small odd have 4 winnings on their last match. They have 4 winnings. They have won 4 times or 3 times on their last match. Then what you now do is pick them over 1.5 or over 2.5. Or another strategy with this is either you go to double chance. If you go to double chance, target teams on home with 1.39 or 1.21 or 1.25. Then the away team must have 5 or 3 attached to them before you book them over 1.5. Or you go to double chance 12. When you go to double chance 12, you see odds like 1.30. Then if you see it like the 1.30, then go to straight winning. If you go to straight winning, see any odd that's attached with 9, and that odd will be around 4 maybe 39 or 4.29. Then if you see something like that, go and book it over 1.5 or you book them over 2.5. But I normally choose over 1.5 for it to be safe. So this is how I got this winning, and it boom. I've tried several times and it's working, but I now decided to drop this for you guys. Or if you want me to just make a video concerning this, make a video show you exactly how to do it in a video, I will teach you. I'll make the video for you. But remember, it's not for free. I can give you this particular one for 6k if you are ready. Anybody that is ready for this, I'll give you 6k. So if you're ready for this particular strategy, I'll make the video for you for 6k, showing you the strategy I used to get this. That's all I can use. Remember, this is Zoom Soccer. It's not a normal soccer, it's Zoom Soccer. Alright guys, in case you never subscribe, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that I don't miss a video next time I post. Alright guys, see you on the next video.